My friend was very kind and sent me a message and asked, how do I get my blush and bronzer or anything that I wear on my cheeks so seamless with the rest of my complexion? So I want to show you that today because I figure if she has that question and she is an experienced makeup artist, then maybe you do too. There are a few brushes that I would use. So one is the Estee Lauder Powder Foundation Brush number 3. The other was the Bobbi Brown Full Coverage Brush. And then my favorite brush, which was dirty, was the Clinique Foundation Brush. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Full Coverage today, and you can see I dip it into my cream bronzer. You can use any cream bronzer, but I use the Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate in Intensity 1. Place that all over my face. Now my face doesn't have any foundation on it. It just has a deeply hydrating moisturizer. I use the Aven Sickle Fate because I think it just makes my skin look super supple and really hydrated and radiant. It gives all of my complexion products the chance to just sink into my skin. I add blush on top, and you can see even with no foundation, it looks super seamless. Blends straight into the skin, no harsh lines, and just gives your skin a really beautiful radiance and color. Then I go in with my Double Wear foundation. You can, of course, wear any foundation, but I actually apply the Double Wear right over top, almost like underpainting. I don't apply too much, but I do blend it in with my fingertips so it all just blends super seamless. I really hope you enjoyed this.